Hi, my name is Krish Thayalan. I'm our Manager of Education and Training here at Second Harvest. We're an organization who rescues food to support charitable food programs that feed Canadians nationwide, while also working to reduce the environmental impact of food waste. Part of our mission is to increase education around food waste reduction in people's day-to-day lives. Second Harvest needed to find an engaging and interactive way to deliver learning that motivated people to act. We were thrilled when Enable reached out to partner on creating a new resource. They took the time to understand our goals, our learning outcomes, and our end users, which made the product development process both easy and enjoyable. The learning that was developed built upon the idea of empowering parents, caregivers, and program coordinators to act, while including kids in the learning as well. What I liked the most about working with Enable was their willingness to adapt to our changing needs, and they were available to respond to any questions that arose. It's been an absolute pleasure working with the Enable team, and Second Harvest can't wait to work with them again.